Hey guys, this is our Bible story for day 3. Jesus is born from Matthew 1:18 through 25. All right, so remember we talked about how that God had promised to send his son to be the savior of the world. This promised son was going to take away the sins of the world. And so the people were waiting on him for a very long time. They were waiting on the Messiah. Well, one day God chose a special young girl named Mary to be the mother of his son, Jesus. Mary was by herself when an angel Gabriel appeared to her and talked to her. Gabriel said, "Greetings, God has picked you for a very special job." I'm sure Mary was scared. The angel told her not to be afraid, but God was pleased with her. He told her that she would have a special son and his name would be Jesus. Mary said, "A son, how can this be? I do not have a father for this baby." Gabriel told her that God would give her this baby and that he would be the Son of God. So Mary agreed. And of course, we talked about how that Mary was supposed to marry Joseph. But now that she was carrying the Son of God, what would she do? What if he didn't believe her that it was God's son? And so thankfully, Gabriel visited her friend Joseph as well. He came to him in a dream and told him to marry Mary because she was carrying the Son of God. He told Joseph to name the baby Jesus. Joseph could not believe it when he woke up, but he knew that it had to have been the Lord. And so he obeyed. And he married Mary. He took her as his wife, and he trusted God, and he did exactly what God told him to do. And so they had not been married very long when the ruler of the land sent out a message saying that everyone needed to go back to their hometown to be counted for a new tax. Joseph and Mary both came from a little town called Bethlehem, so they headed out for a long trip home. When Joseph and Mary arrived in Bethlehem, they could not find a place to stay. They had finally made it back home to Bethlehem, but the city was so full that they could not find anywhere to stay. They tried to find an inn that they could stay in, but they were all full. So no matter how hard they tried, they could not find anywhere to stay. The place that they ended up finding was an old stable, which is kind of like a barn where animals lived. This was a place where animals were kept. It wasn't really the best place for a person who's about to have a baby to sleep, but she made the best out of it. She made herself a bed of hay and she laid down to rest. And we're going to see what happens tomorrow, all right?